Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can export your videos from Adobe Premiere Pro. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you've got your video all done editing and prepared to be exported, what you need to do is just head over to the top left corner of your screen and hover over on File. Now you want to click on it and it should open up a menu like this. Once you go down, you should see export right here. So we are going to select media on this tab, and now we are waiting for it to open a menu. And as you can see right here, we have some settings. You can either select the format, which I recommend that you leave as it is, a comment that you don't really need, output name, this is the title that your video will have. Now this, you should enter the name that you want for your video, which I'm going to do right now. So once you've entered the name, you should have selected both export video and audio in order to have both video and audio on your video. Just make sure that all these settings are as you need them to be, and after you've done that, the only thing left for you to do is just hit the export button, and now as you can see, the video is rendering. Now this will take a certain amount of time depending on how good your computer is and how long the video is, but after this you should be able to find the video with the title that you've given in the folder that you've selected whilst exporting. Now let's check it. So I'm going to go my documents, YouTube, and as you can see right here, I got my video all done. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.